I was using the one Cobra, and I don't know if it's my sight or if it's my gameplay. Everything seems pretty smooth.
No,
Let's do it.
Yes.
That's freaky.
fucking.
Right, let me restart the server
That
manually.
is just disturbing.
DisturbedDragon, if you will.
Oh shit. Now I have two insurgencies.
Oh, I got strong point.
Ooh, really hurt. Oh. Fuck. Only 15 seconds. Hey, don't die.
No, you didn't.
Oh.
Oh, I'm dead.
Dragon behind you.
Damn it!
Not behind him, to his left.
Oh, see? You're giving me wrong directions there.
You should defend, I swear to God.
Alright, Delta's been secured.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh,
Run,
respawn.
run.
Oh, and I'm dead immediately.
No.
We're coming, D. Hold tight.
Hey, one of those guys breach with the Mosin and just one tap you.
Yeah.
Oh,
Drones.
Help!
Oh. I got
There's a bunch right there. Yeah, I managed to avoid the Molotov luckily.
Thank you. I took one for the team.
I am going to die.
Dang it!
Damn.
What's it? What?
No! That's just wrong.
Oh my God, so this looks sweetie.
Oh no!
Back in the
Come
head.
on. Nice try, nice.
I'm gonna put 2 times on this.
That guy going.
He's just fucking with you.
No kidding.
It's like a horror movie. Every time you get there, they're just rounding the corner. Hit him.
What is he doing?
Worth it.